Ayun, if I want to eat a lot of food, I have to have I also call it Leo, Tonokok. Yeah, because it's hard to show this item here online. Okay. Um, in fact, we are not allowed. Yeah, and as much as possible, do not show any product, even water, any brand of water, that we want to drink online, or we want to drink while we are online. What else? I also recommend this for the children. So we have to give this to our children because nowadays we always see videos of the doctors, researchers, moms, right? Health conscious parents, the warmers, natural healers, and the observers, right? Um, the just sensitive people all over the world showing their videos about though I know it could really scare children especially, and you know what I'm talking about, I think, and it's the videos about the parasites, right? Parasites. And I'm overwatching these videos about how you should do the deworming treatment and all that, the sessions with these products that you can just use to drop on your mouth, you know, or other vitamins, to eliminate parasites. Hello, Grace. What is the topic? Oh, okay, I'll send it to you. The video today, it's just here, nearby. University Belt. Ayan, and I can DM you directly, okay? Do not forget to donate to me, okay? So you can get to see me, you can meet me, and then I can bring you there. I'll show it to you. I have more videos, but I choose only to post places I really recommend because they're clean and brand new building.